Hello, my name is Mary Valine, and it's time for
2 Minute Tuesday.
This is where, in 2 minutes or less, we update you on plans and things going on with the 2023 Twin Cities Auto Show. So this week I want to focus on the exhibitor kit. The exhibitor kits were emailed out. So if you have not received an email with a link to the kit, please let me know. Email me at mary@mada.org. The email will come from Fern, who is our official decorator. So we are back at the Minneapolis Convention Center, which means some of the orders are going to be a little different than they were last year. Electric has to be ordered through the building. Vacuuming is exclusive to the Convention Center, so you should order that with your space. But any other questions you have, please don't hesitate to reach out to Fern or myself, and we'll get you in touch with the right people to get you the answers you need. The other deadline that's coming up is at the end of this month. We will close data for our buyer's guide. In our buyer's guide, we list every make and model sold by brands at our show. So please make sure your contracts are in so we don't miss your vehicle listings. And the last thing to mention today is exhibitor credentials. They are available. You can go on TwinCitiesAutoShow.com, and on the exhibitor tab, you will find an area for you to register your staff for exhibitor credentials. There's a lot of information on that page, so please spend a little bit of time, and hopefully you can get some answers on the exhibitor tab of TwinCitiesAutoShow.com, and it's always updated. So that's it this week. Check back next week for
2 Minute Tuesday.